hell is that?
Can I
just put it in your back pocket?
Because they fall off. I don't want that in my pocket, do I?
I'm about ready. You taking hobnobs? Get my shoes on. I can't get my shoe on. And Tooney's dressed like he's got. What the hell are you doing?
Got me duct tape. No fashion in mountain biking, is there?
How are you going to take them?
I'm not sure.
What?
They're not going to fit, are they?
Yeah, of course they will.
Yeah, but I'm going to look like a right bit.
Oh, not any more than you would.
Oh.
I'll have half. Yeah, I'll have half. They're good. And on difficult again. Well, we can give it a go.
Yeah. Shreddy. Just stay to the right. No, if you just stay to the right, you haven't got them lips to get down.
Oh.
Nice. That's it.
Just filling my confidence in each little bit.
Action! Oh, superb.
Yes! Should I do it again?
Need to do it again.
Right, I am so happy. Right, they don't even look steep, but from when you're coming down them, they look steep. But I was like, nah, I'm not in the mood for it. And I just practiced and practiced and practiced. Mountain bike teacher extraordinaire, old Pops over there. Just done it. And you didn't think I was going to do it, did you? Like, nah.
I thought today wasn't the day.
No. No. But it was. Oh, watch your step, lad. Watch your step.
It's not on.
Yeah. Right.
Come on.
You were saying as well, like today it was not a day where I'd be like, let's go on the bikes because it's like road bikes, but on a mountain bike, it's just something. There's just something about it. I don't know. It's almost nicer that it's chilly. Shit! You know that was it. I thought I was going to.
Let's do it again. Right back.
Yeah, that's how you do it. Yeah. Pro, mate. Factory. How's that gaffer tape going for you?
Just stay with it.
I think that stuff's vile. Oh, exactly. I think I'll stick to my my lovely clean water. Ugh. I can't drink that, smell that. What's gone off of that? Smell it. I don't know.
You're not doing anything, just gonna have a look.
Downhill or dirt jump? Go, 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 go! Mechanical. It's a flat gravel bit. You didn't get me on those big steep drop rocks that you were jumping.
On the triple jumps.
Exactly. Keep getting after it.
The cameras. The angles.
It's so good. Are you in them? I was saying, are you in them? Come on.
I mean, what?
Hobnob.
Look at that. Okay, this is service.
I love cleaning it with it, honestly.
Look at that.
Sure, wet. Yeah. Oh, is it in?
No. It's shocking, all right.
Let's bring it
Yeah,
out.
let's start again.
You got a towel? Don't wipe it on me.
Dickhead,
Jacket.
work.
That's it. Hey! Best of 500. Are you actually going to do
Signed
it?
up, yeah.
Again.
Well, I
That
was
was
on
exciting.
-5.
It was a joke. It
It was
was
sketch.
I had to buy gloves.
The link to the video's there. So I'm getting into this shit, you know what I mean?
Oh, I have had such a fun day. Oh, I love my bike. Why is it taking me this long? I'm still learning, and each time I'm coming out on these things, on these rides, there's like little bits that I'm doing each time just to build me up. So today it was like some of the rocks. I'm still not getting used to having my pedals level. Look at he's taking the piss out of me because I'm talking with my hands. But yeah, I'm still not getting my like feet level and looking ahead enough. But yeah, it's just practice, and I am absolutely loving it. I just don't know what it is as well. Like in winter, it's just a lot harder for me to get out on the road bike. It just feels like more of a slog. Whereas mountain biking, it is a bit more faffy, but it is a lot of fun. It's just so much more fun in winter. I'm gonna get nice and toasty, and I'll see you at next vid. I know I am. It's a 10-year-old car, mate. It passed its MOT though. What? Don't take it off. You've pulled the boss off. No, leave the boss on. I'm not living it.
It rots your rubber.
I like the rubber rotting.
It means it'll leak.